the person are leaving to India. But the why India have a most population?
Of the peoples you will see, like Virat Kohli, Sundar Pichai, most of the peoples who are educated, who have more money.
From where they get educated?
From other
India.
countries. Yes,
From-
mostly like
yeah.
Kalpana Chawla. She was educated from other countries. Sundar Pichai, now he's not an Indian. He had taken citizenship of other countries. Now he's not Indian.
I know. Sundar Pichai, Virat Kohli, Kalpana Chawla. You have more?
Yes, more names.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, who I have taken the name. They were famous. Who is not famous? You don't count them. Who is not any means big in big branch or in big? He don't work in big things. Then they are also working like in abroad. You will see most of the students of India go to study in Korea.
You don't know. Most of the peoples of other country come to India.
Not for study, I think so.
Other country come to India.
Not for study, I think so.
How? Many persons are come to India
Could
for
you give me any
studying.
percentage or any amount of people who are coming? I'll tell you. 30% of people go to other countries to study.
That he is saying that he is saying that all the person are leaving to India. But the why India have a most population? So many person.
Of the peoples you will see, like Virat Kohli, Sundar Pichai, most of the peoples who are educated, who have more money.
From where they get educated?
From other
India.
countries. Yes,
From-
mostly like
yeah.
Kalpana Chawla. She was educated from other countries. Sundar Pichai, now he's not an Indian. He had taken citizenship of other countries. Now
Yeah.
he's not Indian.
I know. Sundar Pichai, Virat Kohli, Kalpana Chawla. You have more?
Yes, more names.
Yeah, tell me.
Say copy kole.
This is not God.
Only
sir, but I don't
you mostly means harder you can find less than the 100 people because most of the people are living in India.
Yes, I agree in that. Okay. Most of the people are who I have taken the name. They were famous. Who is not famous? You don't count them. Who is not any means big in big branch or in big? He don't work in big things. Then they are also working like in abroad. You will see most of the students of India go to study in Korea.
You don't know. Most of the peoples of other country come to India.
Not for study, I think so.
How? Many persons are come to India
Could you
for
give me any
studying.
percentage or any amount of people who are coming? I'll tell you. 30% of people go to other countries to study. But you have any just like proof?
They are well developed than the India. Yes, you agree that the other countries are more and well developed than the India.
Yes.
Then why the other country have not that? Why the other country have not the largest bridge of the world? Why the other country have not the largest largest railway station in the world? Why the other country has not the largest roadway of the world?
Okay, I agree in that. Other countries don't have, okay?
Yeah.
But if India have, what's the you have only seen that yes, it's the biggest, but you haven't seen the disadvantages. If you will see the railway station, only 500 crores of the month it spend to just clean it. Then also people just yes, more than 500 crores. Approximately 500 crores rupees get spended of the country to just clean that thing. So you think that is advantages or disadvantages? I don't think so.
Yeah, we are cleaning that. Then what is the fault in it? We are cleaning for the health.
Yes,
of
that is
Indians.
good. You are cleaning, but it for cleaning it spend 200 to 500 crores. It's not a like little amount. For every month you are spending in just a bridge or a railway station, then this is not a good for the country and economy.
This is good because you are thinking that nowadays India is day by day developing. How?
Arey, then means I mean to say that.
I'm understanding that you are saying that 500 crore they invest in cleaning.
Yes.
Okay? So
Yes.
this is the good now. If they will not clean, then accident will not happen.
Actually means like making like you have made, okay, in India it is made, but I mean to say that it takes a lots of money and that is not good for the economy. I want to say that I have no mean to say that it's bad, good, I don't know.
Japan have no developed country.
Yes,
They have also railways.
yes,
They are not investing.
but they have less population.
No,
They have less.
Also Japan.
They have less population, even more good prime minister, more good government. Not like India, okay? Like in India, all are corruption, just corruptioning.
Government is like a what? Government have a remote that all to control the all person in Japan.
Yeah, okay. Indian government is not good. He is corrupting the India and all. Then can you tell me the government of China, government of North Korea, how they are?
Okay, I agree on that. What's they are means like you are telling that they are not allowing the people to say about other means own country. Okay, I agree on that. That's wrong. But one thing you are just saying one thing wrong. In India, how much things are getting wrong? Like crimes are happening because of mostly because of the politics, and also just like you have seen most of the incidents is happening. Plane crash, Pahalgam attack. These are also happening because of the mistake of government.
Mistake of government, other countries attack in India. Then who is
This is a mistake of
this is the
government.
mistake of government?
Yes, like you can see, I want to give an example. You are you have seen the Pahalgam attack.
Yeah.
This time, now, previous year also happened, but that was not too famous. Previous year also the bus was hijacked. That time 12 people had died. That the government should understand that's the border. In border you don't have any army. Then what will happen?
Firstly, I want to tell you are telling that means any previous year it has also happened the means attack. Then that was not famous. And this year the Pahalgam attack is famous because there that time maybe I don't know, but India had not taken the response. But this time India had taken the response.
It's not the response. Should I say it? You don't know the dark reality of India because the you know Modi and all whoever had done that Operation Sindoor, why it is not completed?
Where it is not the other
Next,
countries
next,
have
next. Give them a
respect.
pass.
Developing. India is developing. Where is developing India? If India is developing, you know what is the meaning of development. If any changes come in anything, that's called development. But in India, nothing is development. You are saying developing. This is not correct. This is reality that in India, most of the crimers is now is walking like a nothing. It's just common. But why, if India is developing, then why the crime, the most of the means with girls, most of the criming is happening in India.
I want to ask one question. Okay?
Yes.
I will give you an answer, but firstly you give me which grammar is freely visiting in India. Tell me.
Many
Many. Tell me.
like the who now
How can you say that more? How can you say this? Because you are knowing upside only. Downside you don't know.
I know
Okay.
that's what you always type says that developing. Where is development? Then
Why the
that's why the
economic?
pollution is
Why the economic?
Okay,
I'm telling you.
India is most populated country in the world, but other countries less than the India.
How developing? Day by day, India is developing by the culture. They are daily means.
In culture means
I'm-
yes.
I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Day by day, India is developing by the culture.
Culture means how?
Means nature. They cleaning the nature. Sir, means planting more trees. Planting more trees.
Planting more trees. That's why the population is increasing.
That's why I'm saying.
Sir,
now.
I am telling.
Yeah?
If you are telling
Wait, now I want to
India is not developing, India is not developing here and there, means you are living in the India is this much and you are living in the this much small village, then anything is developing that will tell to you that I am
then why India is known as the most populated country? It is developing then.
Tell me what is developing in other country. Tell me.
Most dream. Have you ever seen the other country's dream? There is floating the there is too much clear water and there is fishes floating
You are
and in
traveling
India
in the area there is a
Firstly-
dirty water. That's why you are saying that this is the not clean water.
most you don't most of the India is the most populated and the
Indore
most.
is one of the city of the India. Have you gone there? Have
But
you
only one example, two example. After
you
that,
been
one not most of the countries
all people want to visit.
most of the states
Most
of the India
of the
clean. Only one city, Delhi, it is polluted. Is the only cause of Delhi. Delhi is the one city. Cause of that, whole India is.
You know,
But
Many
one
people
papa
are
wa-
came from India and other country.
and you know one people was
Pass the mic.
cam-
Pass the
cam-
mic. Pass the mic. Andhra Pradesh.
China is developing. Yes, then
why the China's government not allow that people should give the opinions to the politicians like the Jack Ma.
Yeah.
Jack Ma is a discoverer of the Alibaba, and why the Jack Ma is kidnapped?
Yes, I'm agree with your question. It's okay just before. Means if they are developing, they are doing the best or good things for the people, for the youth of the countries, and many other things. They're developing their countries. But before it, they're awareing the peoples. Please don't say anything about the government because we are doing right. We know what is right or what is wrong. But in India, do you know what is happening? If anybody tell about the government, okay, anybody of us, they are not being aware of before that you will be kidnapped, you will have to pay the fine. No, that are being kidnapped and they are being killed. What do you think about it? Do you know about a person, I forget the name, but he was telling about the government and all, and you know, after 2 days he was died, and in his own home. What do you think about it?
Only one person you are telling.
Because I know only about one person,
Yeah.
Roshan.
Then harder than you can find 200, 100 to 200. Then in China there are many persons. In North Korea there are many persons. In other countries there are many persons. Then
Also, how could you say that? Many percent.
because I have searched. Yeah, I can
How
say.
can you say that
We also-
India is a
okay, you have given the example of Jack Ma. We have given the example of one people. Then it's
What
equal.
name?
equal?
Means equal. As- you have told the same now.
If you have given another country people, I tell you firstly.
Okay, give me
There is the North Korea.
Yes.
I am telling you about the North Korea. There are only 3 hairstyle you can cut, and if you cut the other hairstyle, they will kill you. There, if the father and grandfather of the
Kim Jong.
King Jong means he is the prime minister of there. If you will not weep on their death day, they will kill you. If there are 3 channels in there, that only you can see. And on that, what is happening?
It is also not present the network. of the
Network.
mobile.
And there are, if you will shoot any poor people photo, then they will kill you. Then you can tell me what's the answer
And
of this? Why they are killing?
And also,
And all the Chinese product is not take out.
If you go and see what the condition of the Pakistan.
Yeah.
Go, you are comparing for the other countries. Yes.
Like if you see India, in foreign countries, also USA come, Japan come, China come. Okay, I agree. Pakistan and North Korea's condition is very bad, and it's really. But other foreign countries are there. US, it is ranked as the best country in the world for everything, for cleanness, for beauty, for culture, everything.
Yes. Then in India, you are telling whole India is not polluted. Only Delhi is polluted.
Some places polluted in India.
Only some places are polluted in India. You are telling about whole India.
Okay, wait. Could I say? Go and search in the Google that how much a state is polluted. Like it will give you a full map of India with a percentage how much India is polluted, and it's all red.
Yeah, you can also search. I can tell you, only some person, some countries, USA, Japan, only South Korea. These are, you will tell that these are clean. Means you have, no, before that, there are also many countries, they are also polluted.
Many countries.
चलिए आगे pass the mic. 100%. Yes, Udar, Prince. Yes, what's your opinion? If freedomly you tell. Yes, what's your opinion? Our India is.
My name is Prince Raj. I study in 77. Today I am going to say about India. First, India. India is the largest population in the world.
Yes.
It has the most cleanliness in the world. And here is the person who is born here. That he is known as the means a great man. And in the city of Kolkata, like big cities, Madras, Kolkata, there is a big institute for coaching that teach to the children to and you are what you are saying that all our children are going to other countries. You have seen Iran, Iraq, Israel and Iran. There is fighting. How the person is going there? Only the London. Only I think that in only 2 countries, South Korea and the USA. Only 2 countries people go and nowhere. I have seen no in Sri Lanka, no Japan, no China, no South Korea, no North Korea, no Bangladesh,
सारा
no
Pakistan,
there is no 193 countries,
Uzbekistan,
but only 2 countries means minimum maximum 10 countries are good, and the 197 means how 170 countries are that is bad now. There is no cleanliness, there is no education.
Other, yes, Suman, you tell.
Okay, you tell that 10 approximately
yeah.
peoples go in 10 countries. How many peoples come in India? Can you tell me? From how many countries peoples come to India? Can you tell me?
For not for education, but for visiting.